button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
Alright y'all, quick video late in the day. Be installing some Bluetooth headlights that my fiance got me for my birthday. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. We'll talk about it. The headlights plug in normally, and then it's got this extra red wire that you ground. I have it grounded for here for just right now, and I'll go back and clean it up in a second. I just want to make sure everything worked. But turn this light off. So on the black boxes on the back of the headlights, there's a QR code that you scan, and it pretty much will connect everything together for you. But hit this little button right here, and it's actually kind of cool. I mean, you can strobe through modes and all kinds of stuff. Link your music: white, purple, yellow, blue, green. Just classic colors, presets, brightness. But yeah, that's a quick little install for y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next video.